Yeah, hi guys. Hope you are doing good. This side Kuldeep, and in today's demo, we'll see how to establish primary key and foreign key relation in a single table. Generally, we have seen this relation is maintained in two tables, parent table and child table. But in today's demo, we'll establish this relationship in a single table. So for the demonstration, I have one table, employee test, where four column is there: employee id, employee name, department id, and manager id. The employee id is a primary key, and the manager id, I have created this manager id as a foreign key of this column. So it means within a single table there are two column. One column is primary key, another column is foreign key, and that foreign key column is referencing primary key of same table. Let me create this table first. Yeah, table is successfully created. So it means it is possible to create primary key and foreign key within a same table. So the main purpose of this demonstration is, uh, let me insert these two records, record 1 and record 2. Record 1 is a employee record, record 2 is record 1 is a Mandeep, it's a manager, and record 2 is Kuldeep, it is an employee. Basically both are employee, but this one is a manager of employee id 2. So one is already for the first insert, it successfully inserted because the manager id was null. It means foreign key allows null. But in second insert, the one, the manager id column, that is one, is already available in the table. That's why this second row insert has been done. So let me roll back this data, so that I can show you the what I wanted to show. First let me check the data whether it's successfully rolled back. Yeah, it's rolled back successfully. So here let me reverse the insert order. If you notice, I have inserted 1 and then 2. Let me reverse the insert order. Right now the table has 0 record. Let me insert the first record. Yeah, it violated. Parent key and foreign key violated. Why violated? Because if you notice the insert statement, 2 is a employee id Kuldeep, this is, and then ITDB is a department, then 1 is a manager id. So this is the first record is going to insert, and the value 1, it's a foreign key column. So why it failed? Because at the time of this insert, 1 was not present. If 1 is not present, it is not validated, hence it is failed. So we can say that as soon as the data is going to insert into the table, Oracle immediately start validating. So this is the default behavior of a constraint. Even though the value 1, which is right now not present, but is a valid value which might come after few seconds. But the default Oracle behavior, as soon as data is going to insert, immediately validate whether the parent value is present or not. So at the time of insert of this 1, the parent value 1 was not present. But in case of previous here, what we did, we first inserted the parent value 1, and then the second insert order successfully done. But here we reverse the order. We try to insert the child value first, because the one is not at present in this employee column, hence it is fail. So is there any way so that we can delay this validation? Because by default the constraint behavior is, as soon as the data inserted, immediately validate. But let's suppose I am getting this data from a flat file, and there might be chances that parent record is below and child record is coming first. There might be chances. So anyhow I cannot break the rule. Somehow parent key foreign key is established. It means that foreign key value must present in primary key in parent column. correct. This is the universal rule, it cannot be break. But one thing I can do, can we validate or can we delay this validation? Is there any way so that we can delay this validation? So answer is yes. In Oracle there is an option, we can do this validation little bit delay. And this is one of the interview question, guys, please note. So let me go to the second sheet where I have created similar kind of a table, employee test. Let me drop this table first. Let me create this table. Yeah, table is created. If you notice, this is the same structure of previous one. The only change I have done here, I have mentioned deferrable initially deferred. So this mean deferred basically means delay something is the meaning of deferred. So what we are doing here, instead of immediately validating the data, what we will do, we will validate this data after some time. So now the second question comes, at what time, how much time we will wait? So we will wait till the transaction is complete, meaning at the time of complete commit at the time of commit we only validate the data. At the time of insert, we will allow all the insert, and then at the time of commit we will check whether the parent and child is satisfying each other or not. If the parent child is established, then the commit will successfully. Let me do this. See, this record currently the table is empty. Let me confirm this. Yeah, table is empty. Let me insert this first record. See, previously this record got failed. Why? Because at the time of insert, this one is not at present in parent column. But what I have said, we have delay this deferred this validation for some time. Now I am going to insert this one. Yeah, now both parent and child is now present. Let me do the commit. Yeah, commit is successful. Let me insert one more record, record number 3, employee ID 3, and the manager of employee ID 3 is 4. But at right now there is no such employee present in employee column, present in parent column. So what it will do, it will allow the insert. See, at the time of commit, it will check. See, at the time of commit, what it will check, it will check the rule parent and primary, whether the 4 is present in this column or not. If it is not present, it means the rule is broken and I need to roll back, I need to give the error. So this is how we can check the constraint at the time of commit. By default, these constraints are deferrable initially immediate. By default means at the time of insert only those data is going to validate, but there is a provision, there is an option provided by Oracle, we can delay this validation for some time. For how much time we can delay? The time when we do the commit, at commit time we can validate the data. Anyhow, the rule cannot be changed, cannot be broken, but we can delay the validation with the help of deferrable initially deferred. This is one of the important concept, guys. Please check this concept. Okay, hope you guys learn something new. So thank you guys, and share with your friends.